Ali here with H&H Cycles. Today we have a 2002 Honda Goldwing GL1800 with just around 26,000 miles, which is nothing for this 22-year-old bike. It's just, for being a 22-year-old bike, this is in pristine condition. 26,000 miles only, full stock bike, nothing done to it, got highway pegs, clean body, very clean body actually. Purrs like a kitten. Engine is smooth as silk. Runs really nice. Good set of tires. Oil change done to it. Has a Garmin GPS system installed already on it. These are convenient for the passenger. Comes with 2 keys and a fob. Shown open, I'll close that and you'll be able to see the mileage. Hear that? Very smooth motor. Comes with the bag, catalog. $26,413 to be exact. Garmin exhaust navigation system works great. There you go. Shows you we are in Romeoville. Yes, we are in Romeoville. 572 West Taylor Road. We are open Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday 11 to 3. Come check us out. This bike has few blemishes I would like to pinpoint. It seems like this cover was cracked at one point, so it's been epoxied back. I don't see anything else besides that. Yeah, pretty clean body. Pretty clean body for being a 22-year-old bike. And for more details, visit us at h&hcycles.com, and thank you for watching.